Hi everyone. I saw this problem on the IndiaBiz website. You can pause the video and try it out and then follow me as I solve the
I'm going to be using two methods to solve this. So the first method, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to write this as 5 to the power of 2. So I have to express this, and this in the same power as this 5 here. Our base rather as the same base as this. So this is going to be 5 to the power of 2. Then I'm going to express this as fraction. So I'm going to remove the decimal point. So I have 75 divided by 10 times 5 to the power of 25 divided by 10 divided by, so this is going to be 5 to the power of 3 divided by 50 to the power of 15 divided by 10 equals 5 to the power of x. So I can reduce all of these fractions to their simplest term. So by reducing that, I'm going to have this. So I'm going to have this 5 to the power of 2. So this is going to be 5 divided by 75. So I'm going to have 15 to the power of 15 over 2 times 5 to the power of 5 divided by 25 is 5. And 5 divided by 10 is 2 divided by 5 to the power of 3. So 5 divided by 15 is 3. And 5 divided by 10 is 2 equals 5 to the power of x. So what do we do from here? Here, I'm going to apply this. So I'm going to remove the brackets. So I have 5 to the power of 2 times 15 all over 2 times 5 to the power of 5 to the power of over 2 divided by 5 to the power of 3 times 3 over 2 equals 5 to the power of x. So the next thing I have to do is to multiply out. So these two will cancel out this. So I'll be left with 5 to the power of 15 times 5 to the power of 5 over 2 divided by 5 to the power of 3 times 3, that's 9, divided by 2 equals 5 to the power of x. So what do I do next? Now we're going to apply the law of indices here. So when we're multiplying, the powers becomes addition, and when we are dividing, the power will subtract the powers. So this is going to give us 5 to the power of 15 plus 5 over 2 minus 9 over 2 equals 5 to the power of x. So what we do, we look for the power, the 5 to the power of, so we look for the LCM of this, and this. So this is going to be 15 over 1. So the LCM is 2. So I have 2 divided by 1. That's 2 times 15. That's 30 plus. So when 2 goes away, we are left with 5 minus 9 equals 5 to the power of x. And what shall we do next? So the next we have to do is to add this. 30 plus 5, that's 35, minus 9, that's 26. So we have 5 to the power of 26 divided by 2 equals 5 to the power of x. So when I divide this through, I have 5 to the power of 13 equals 5 to the power of x. So this cancels this. Obviously, x is equal to 13. So that is one of the approaches that you can use for this. Then for the other approach, let me just do that this way and see how it's going to look like. For this second method, which I believe is shorter, what I have to do, I'm just going to leave the decimal point. So I'm going to have 5 to the power of 2 times 7.5 times 5 to the power of 2.5 divided by 5 to the power of 3 times 1.5 equals 5 to the power of x. So I'll just multiply this. I'm going to have 5 to the power of 2 times 7.5 is 15 times 5 to the power of 2.5 divided by 5 to the power of 3 times 1.5. That's going to give us 4.5 equals 5 to the power of x. So we apply the law of indices here again. So all of this becomes 5 to the power of 15 times plus 2.5. So divide becomes minus 4.5 equals 5 to the power of x. So 15 points 2.5 is 17.5, then minus 4.5, that gives us 13. So that's 5 to the power of 13 equals 5 to the power of x. So this will cancel x, s is equal to 13. So this method is shorter, but we both arrive at the same answer.
The correct option is option B.